Well, thank you for that story from Haiti. Well, sorry, Vera, it's Haiti, as Vera Mora says. When he took over as president in 2022, President William Ruto appears to have ignored the role of regional kingpins. The president, however, seems to have fallen back to them following the political turmoil triggered by the Gen Zs. From Mombasa Central to Western Kenya, the young leaders appear restless, and political observers opine that should they crystallize their plans, they may form a formidable third force. Alan Ochanda puts the intrigues into perspective.
Formative years as the president, the head of state William Ruto totally bypassed regional kingpins. His inaugural cabinet, though a cocktail of politicians and technocrats, did not wield much political weight. 20 months later, a crisis confronted him. Gen Zs, among other irreducible minimums, demanded an overhaul of the cabinet. The president considered and showed them the marching orders. In reconstituting the country's highest decision-making body, the ODM party, home of regional political kingpins, offered him refuge. His decision, however, appears to have unsettled youthful leaders. In Western Kenya, for instance, already all the political bigwigs, Musalia Mudavadi, Moses Wetangula, and Wycliffe Oparanya are in the fold. UDA Secretary General Cleophas Malala, former sports CS Rashid Chesa, among other leaders, now going for their jugular, demanding accountability of their pre-election pact.
Mimi ni katibu mkuu wa chama cha UDA. I have taken a risk kusema kwamba hata kama wamepakua chakula pale kwa meza, niache hiyo chakula pale kwa meza, nikuje kwanza tusemezane na nyinyi. Tusianze kukula hiyo chakula pale kwa meza na hatujui yetu ni ngapi kwa hiyo meza.
Tunataka tuulize ndugu yetu Musalia, ndugu yetu Wetangula, ile 30% ambayo mlituambia juzi, tumeajiri polisi 5,000. Kila constituency ilikuwa inapewa watu 6. Ukipiga times 290 ni karibu 1,600. Hizi nafasi zingine 2,500 kwa share yetu ya 30% iko wapi?
The meeting agenda was to discredit the current leadership of leaders in Western Province, led by Prime Cabinet Secretary Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi, Speaker of the National Assembly Moses Masika Wetangula, and the current nominee for cooperative slot Wycliffe Oparanya, and will treat them as political outcasts from the Luo community who are being used by external forces, including the deputy president of this country, Rigiji Gachagua, to undermine the leadership of Western Kenya.
The script has been the same in Mombasa. Nyali MP Mohamed Ali and Iyala MP Hassan Omar have been angling to oust Mombasa Governor Abdul Swamad Sharif. The region is perceived to be an ODM stronghold, and the elevation of Joho to the cabinet was one of the party's deputy party leader may complicate the duo's political arithmetic.
The president has his traditional kingpins, the ones we know, yet there are people fighting for the same space within the same regions who want to emerge as another force to challenge the status quo that has been there. What is that telling you? It's telling you that then definitely another third formation. And I can tell you that you will never have two strong candidates in Kenya again. You are going to have more than two outfits that are competing for political power from what is currently happening.
DP Rigathi Gachagua, until recently, had no breathing space following the onslaught from youthful leaders, including Kiharu MP Ndindi Nyoro and National Assembly Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah.
In central Kenya, we had Kimani Ichung'wah coming up, Ndindi Nyoro, many others were coming up. But now they've been silenced because things have changed. They have to run back to the mountain in quotes and think about how to emerge again. Others have been silenced. You have to go quiet first and take your mathematics right before you open your mouth.
It is no different in Raila Odinga's Luo Nyanza, as youthful leaders like Babu Owino of Embakasi East and David Ochieng of Ugenya position themselves as the political heirs of the region. Asked whether their dreams will see the light of the day or not is a matter of time. Alan Ochanda, KTN News.
The motion to impeach Meru Governor Kawira Mwangaza has been withdrawn in the Meru County Assembly.